We all know Warren Buffett, a man worth over $149 billion. But what if I told you his real fortune didn't start with money at all? It started with mindset. Long before Berkshire Hathaway, there was just a kid in Omaha delivering newspapers, saving every penny and dreaming bigger than his circumstances. He wasn't waiting for luck. He was building habits that would one day create an empire. Secret number 1. Think in abundance. Most people see scarcity. Buffett saw opportunity. Where others saw a pinball machine, he saw a business. Where others saw limits, he saw value to be created. That's the abundance mindset, the belief that wealth begins not with what you have, but with what you can build. He didn't chase money. He created value. And that's how real wealth begins, not in your bank account, but in your mind. Secret number 2. Master the art of patience in a world addicted to speed. Buffett built his empire slowly. He once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." He learned early that wealth isn't about reacting. It's about waiting. It's about having the discipline to sit still when everyone else is chasing quick wins. The truth is, patience compounds just like money does. Secret number 3. Invest in yourself. Buffett's greatest investment wasn't Apple or Coca-Cola. It was himself. He reads 500 pages a day, not for tips, but for understanding. He knows that the strongest foundation you can ever build is inside your own mind. Because wealth doesn't start in the market, it starts in your mindset. When you master your emotions, grow your knowledge, and ignore the noise, you become unstoppable. So if you want to build real wealth, start where Buffett did. Adopt an abundance mindset. Practice patience. Invest in yourself. You don't need a fortune to start. You just need discipline, belief, and time. If this message shifted how you see success, like this video, subscribe for more daily inspiration, and share it with someone who's ready to build a rich life from the inside out.